Y.
Y. That's this yellow one.
You need another C.
C. Huh. I want to see on the other side.
L.
L. Move that L.
It's green.
See? I knew that. What's the next one?
It goes here.
Right here?
It goes after that one. Here, I'll scooch this over so you can fit your whole word.
After which one?
It goes after the C here.
Is it after the C? Here. What's the next one?
The last one is E.
Oh, yeah. What's right here?
And what does that spell?
More like a one.
Yay!
And really long.
I told you it's a long one, huh?
And then mark box, and then the mark box, and then the last